yes.
Absolutely. The must है.
Amazing.
See. Hello Loita, welcome back to my channel once again. And now this time we are flying to Portugal, and it's the first flight after 2 years for me. And currently we are at Baden-Baden Airport. By we, I mean I have Blair with me as well.
Hello.
Say hello. Yeah, we are a bit sleepy because we haven't slept the whole night. Last few days are very hectic with both of us. We are traveling together since I don't know 2 weeks or something.
Last week of March.
So we are currently boarding the aircraft, done with the check-in boarding procedures, and I'll show you the aircraft. I think, yeah, that's the one. Yes. Unfortunately, I have gotten a middle seat, and Blair is lucky.
Yes, I have a window seat. Yay!
So yeah, and would be a boring flight because it's a 3-hour flight from here. So let's see. That's our aircraft. So we have landed finally to Faro, and
Really excited. Yes.
yes, it's gonna be fun. We'll make sure that we give you a nice content. है ना Blair?
yes. अरे. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh भाई.
what a
Awesome दिख रहे हैं.
what a weather. And the airport is also quite good. Aha. So yeah, finally in Faro. So this airport is quite similar to the Strasbourg's railway station, and then there is a cafe, the trees, the white buildings. This is the taxi stand, I feel, and now have to figure out the stop for Flixbus because we have it at 10:45, which will take us to Lisbon. We somehow managed to take a breakfast, but it was a big hustle, and unfortunately we bought the bread with chicken, I mean with pork, and when we asked her that not to put pork, she just lifted the pork from the bread and put cheese instead of. I'm not gonna eat that, but I'll show you the breakfast way. So this is what I was telling you about, the bread with the pork and the cheese. So this is one Campol maracuja juice. Some, what is this, pasta?
Pasta de natte something. Even I don't know.
And that's a sweet, and this is espresso. So yeah, day 1, meal 1, and all the best to us for next 4 days in Portugal. We are done with our breakfast. This is the place where we had our breakfast by the name Pingo Dos, and it's right in front of the airport. So if you see over there is the airport, and approximately 700 meters of walking distance, and then you reach over here. You can put it in on your Google Maps and you'll reach. The options are quite good, but for non-vegetarians. If you are a vegetarian, then you need to think twice, but you can always have a normal espresso with bread, you know?
Yes. That's a really nice deal because like you get it for €1.
And
it's cheap. Like you get coffee and bread for €1. Like you won't get any.
The breakfast, yeah, which we showed it to you, was just for 2.5 euros in Germany. One espresso costs 2.5 euros or 3.5 euros. So
yeah, so far I like Portugal because the weather is nice, and even inside the supermarket there was fresh fish.
Fresh fish. Yeah. he felt like he is in Vasai.
Yeah, because the smell of fresh fish. Like I'm from Vasai and we get fresh fish in Vasai. So
yeah, and also the water. Water is quite cheap.
Yes.
I think it's the same price that of in Germany, right?
No, Germany I think it's a bit expensive.
Because we add that 25 cents of fund, right? The recycled bottle.
But is it 30? Like I got it for 35 cents.
No, it was 60.
60 cents?
Yeah,
Okay.
60.
Yeah, then it's the same price.
It's almost the same price, but yeah, you don't have to look for whether it's a carbonated water or it's a normal mineral water. Here all the water bottles are mineral water.
Yeah.
So
it's only the German thing that they drink carbonated water. I don't know why. But
why?
Yeah, it's a German thing.
So now we are heading back to the airport, and we'll see you once we board the bus. That's our bus, and now we will be boarding the bus I hope I'm holding the camera in the right position. But yeah, finally we were a bit tensed whether we are standing at the right stop or no, but luckily we managed to stand at the right stop. What? तीच आहे. Okay, we'll first board the bus and let you know. So finally in the bus, and this Flixbus is so good compared to Germany. And I'm glad.
Yes.
It's so good, so good.
My heart rages around.
So finally reached Lisbon. So this is Lisbon's international airport, and now we are looking for a metro station. I think, Blair, this is the metro station. See?
This one? No, this is the terminal. So
No, this one. Metro.
yeah, perfect. This
Metro.
one is the metro station.
So we'll go from here and have to see which connection we can take to reach to our hostel. So just now reached at the tram stop, and we have taken this ticket, a day ticket for 24 hours, which covers everything: tram, train, ferries, and long distance train which goes outside the city as well, because tomorrow we are visiting one place, so this ticket would be beneficial. And it costed just 10.8 euros for 24 hours, so it was a good deal. This is what some tram looks like. Blair. Reached to the Lisbon city center area, and now heading towards Burger King because too hungry, and then we'll go to our hostel. This is the city center of Lisbon, but I'll show it to you in detail later. So this is what I ordered: cola, vegan chicken wrap, fries, and Blair has ordered some burger. Too hungry to eat this because too hungry. The last meal we had was spaghetti at home at 7 o'clock yesterday in the evening. We are back into the hostel. Blair was kind enough to get shower gel and shampoo for us. Yeah, we both will take shower and get ready and then leave. First we'll take tram 28. That's really famous.
Okay. Yes,
Then we'll go to see that bridge, and then to Decathlon.
So now we have got ready.
Yeah.
We took a shower. Now we feel so fresh.
Yes.
And now we are going to tram number 28, right?
Yes, tram 28.
Tram
It's
28, which is the most famous tram, which is on the slope. So
yeah, and it
show you
follows.
when we reach there.
And it follows a very beautiful path, and it covers most of the tourist attractions.
So do we go down or do we go up?
I think we should go down.
Okay, yeah, we'll go down.
So we are walking through the narrow streets of Lisbon, and it's beautiful. A lot of cool stuff also around, but since we are running short of time today, so we are directly going to the start point of tram 28. This is the tram stop from where tram 28, which is here, starts, and it is always a good idea to take a tram from stop 1 because there are high probabilities that you will get a seat. Finally boarded the tram 28, and yeah. So
After 1 hour.
one hour, yeah, we had to wait 1 hour in the queue for the tram. I'm sorry for the noise, but it's an old tram, so hopefully we'll get to see some good architectures which are within the city. So we got down from the tram 28 somewhere, but the view behind me is so beautiful. Just look at the view. I'll turn the camera and show it to you. What a view it is. Sun is setting so nicely over here. Wow, just wow, so pretty. Good that we deboarded the tram. It was a good decision. है ना Blair? It was a good decision not to deboard the tram.
Yes.
Absolutely. The must.
Amazing.
See.
There are So many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are
So this is the tram which we boarded, and it will go from here. Now we are on our way to go to Decathlon to buy shorts, swimming pants actually. But currently we are just figuring out where is the bus stop, and it is dark now. What time is it here?
It's 2048.
20:48. So yeah, okay. So just bought the shorts in case we go to the beach in Porto. And just a second, need to cross the road. Yeah, and now we are heading towards an Indian restaurant. We found out it was quite affordable, so we'll have our dinner over there. Unfortunately, we couldn't book a table for a seafood restaurant, but yeah, that we can do it tomorrow. So today we'll go to an Indian restaurant and try the food, and let's maintain our streak, Blair, of eating
Yes.
Indian
Eating
food.
Indian food in
All the countries, whichever we visit. So yeah,
That's mandatory.
that's mandatory. So
It's always like that. We always have one lunch or dinner
at
at Indian restaurant.
so yeah, we'll go there and check the food. Too hungry because I think the last proper meal we ate was some 2-3 days ago, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Like by proper meal I mean like curry and naan, roti or something. So now heading back home, and had a good food at Indian restaurant. It was good, and yeah, let's call it a day for here. Day 1 in Portugal. Yeah, you might have seen the journey started from Baden-Baden airport, and then from Baden-Baden to Faro to where are we now? Yeah, Lisbon. So yeah, it was a long journey and a long day. Yeah, I'll just go back to hostel, change into comfortable clothes and sleep until I wake up tomorrow at 7. And see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Choose, bis bald, and auf Wiedersehen.